didn't check before we started this. I should have checked.
No, Atta, you were 50. We were the same weight, Gada.
52 point something.
52.5 or something.
Yeah.
Both of us were the same weight.
How much are you now?
52.8.
Oh, okay. Even we both are of same weight actually, me and Bhumi.
Okay, so check your weight today, ma'am. And you need to lose weight at the rate of 2 to 3 kilos in a month.
Oh.
That's how it should be if you are completely genuine with your weight loss program.
I had a dessert today.
Has lost more than 2 kilos during this time of 2 weeks.
He is overweight, ma'am, so he will lose.
He will, but so will you. So will you, because you are not considerably lighter. You are not fat, you are not obese, you are slightly more than what you should be. You will also, if you become 100% strict, ma'am, every once in a while cheating here and there because something is being prepared is going to put you off track. Now you will work out with me today, all three of you.
Okay.
It's a special class. Why? Because I have not found the time since morning to do my workouts today. It's been very hectic.
Okay.
I've been recording videos. So I thought, let me be smart and make you people work out, and I will get my own workout, and I will be saving a lot of time.
Okay.
It's going to be cardio for minimum 20 minutes. So, Beta Nidhi, if you can do one thing for me, put a timer on somebody's phone and just tell me when 20 minutes are done. Because
I have an extra phone, I'll put it.
Okay, so Bhumi's got it. Don't worry, come back.
Okay.
So I will tell you, Bhumi, the moment when to switch it on. Once 20 minutes are done, let me know. 20 minutes, you people are not supposed to stop. This is going to be pure cardio. And you need this cardio if you want to lose weight. Only yoga classes will never help you. So Sridhar sir has also started doing that. He comes to my class after spending 15 minutes either on the treadmill or the cross trainer. So that's what we are going to do today. Ideally, if I were in Bhumi's place or Archana ma'am's place, I would do my cardio and then go to the yoga class, because I know a yoga class is not meant for burning calories. I used to do that.
Yeah.
Training in Lucknow also when I was a yoga student. For 2 years, I used to jog to my yoga studio. Are you understanding? My training used to start at 7 o'clock in the morning. I used to leave my house at 6. I could take the car, but I deliberately used to jog to the place because early morning the roads used to be empty. So I used to save time. I used to get my cardio by the time I reached the studio. And by then I used to be already sweating and warmed up. And then I used to start my yoga stretches and asana practice. So you need to become smarter and more clever if you want to see some serious results in your body. So 20 minutes of pure cardio. Then I sent Bhumi and Archana ma'am those 2 posters yesterday.
Yeah.
One was for the warm-up, other one was for your leg workout. I will teach those exercises to you today. Tomorrow onwards, you will do your regular stretches, blah blah blah. Do your 5 rounds of Surya Namaskar. After doing those Surya Namaskars, ma'am just disappeared somewhere.
No, I'm there.
Ma'am,
Fine.
So tomorrow onwards, what will happen is you will do your regular stretches followed by the Surya Namaskar. And after the Surya Namaskar, you will do all the leg workouts which you will be learning today. So tomorrow onwards, along with the regular warm-ups and stretches which you are doing, we will add the warm-ups which we will learn today. And then post Surya Namaskar, you will do the leg workouts. Then Tuesday, you will do something else. I'll keep sending it to you. So it's going to become a whole body workout along with Surya Namaskars, if you want some serious results. And ma'am, no more cheating here and there. Please do get serious. Acha kuch ho gaya. Any occasion is coming up, Nidhi, in the coming 2 weeks? Anyone's birthday? Anniversary?
No.
Any
No.
festival is there? I have no knowledge of festivals. Some puja in the house?
No.
Any prasad coming from somewhere?
No.
Whatever it might be, ma'am, give it up. Seriously, give it up. The mind will try to distract you. It has got nothing to do with exercise. I am doing my exercise because it's a habit. For 10 years, I have to do it. If I don't exercise, I feel like I have not brushed my teeth. मुझे वैसा feeling आता है. So do this workout today, please, because I'm doing this workout with you. I'm not going to stop. Are you understanding? I'm a very selfish trainer. There are times when I train with my students only to save my own time because I've been busy. So 20 minutes, ma'am, I am not going to stop. You guys better not stop. I'm not going to make it super challenging. It will not be so challenging as, okay, planks, then crunches, then pulses, then immediately jumping jacks. It will not be so intense. Because you have to sustain it for 20 minutes straight, the intensity is anywhere between moderate to high. So you will not fatigue, you will not pass out. Neither will your leg muscles burn. But you will still be moving your heart rate up, your muscles will still be working, and you will have to start sweating. But if you want to break into a sweat, you have to give it 20 minutes straight. Bhumi, no stopping in between.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want the gym body language. कुछ कर दिया, फिर 10 to 15 seconds का break ले लिया, ponytail check कर लिया. None of that. Whatever is happening, let it happen. Shoelaces are opening, yes. For 20 minutes, if your shoelaces open, please tie them. Please tie them for this workout. Check them now. I'm telling all these students at DRS, check your shoelaces now so that they don't open later. So Nidhi, please check your shoelaces. Tight shoelaces or double shoelaces, whatever. And then get ready. I'm going to change the angle because I also have to do this workout with you. And keep doing it with me. Beta Bhumi, don't keep your yoga mat here and there. They have a very bad habit of slipping. And you will also slip if suddenly your foot comes on them. Chalo, get up, all three of you. I want to get into your on-spot marching, and just tell me if you can see me, all of you. Once I go back, can all of you see me?
Yeah.
Is this better now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Coming up. If you look at my side profile, my knees are high. The high knees. Don't walk like this.
Right.
Arm movement here. So one arm, both arms. One, both. So it's one, left, both arms. One, left, right. Two arms. Right, left, both arms. Right, left, both arms. Right, left, both arms. Again. Keep moving. Right, left, right, left, both. Right, both. Right, left. Keep moving. Don't stop, Nidhi. Oh, come back to sitting. More walking and jumping more. More walking, walking, walking. Forward and go back. So how are we going to do it?
हमारे लिए स्प्रिंग स्प्रिंग
3, 2, forward. Right, left, both arms together. Go back, back, both arms together. Forward, right, left, together. Right, left. Again, right, left, together, right, left, together, right, together, right, left. Again. Again. Keep moving.
ये मुझे नहीं पता ना हाँ ये नाच
No marching. Stop marching. You have to keep jumping. You see me, I'm jumping. Forward. Forward. And backward.
मुझे ना स्प्रिंग करा रही
Forward. Backward. Forward. Backward. Forward. Backward. Forward. Backward. Now keep jogging. Keep jogging. Nobody will stop. You need to find the energy. Keep jogging.
अच्छा
Please, all of you continue, everyone. Keep continuing. Keep jogging on the spot. Once again, we will start with the same arm movements. So everyone get ready. 4, 3, 2, start. Right, left, both arms. Right, left, both. Continue. Keep watching me. Okay, keep jogging now. I'm going to teach you something new. Okay? So you're going to just jog back and forth by turning. Just keep watching now. So if I'm here, 4, 3, 2, jog to the back knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, come forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, jog, jog. 5, 6, 7, again. Keep moving. Again. Keep moving, no stopping. Again. Keep moving. Again. 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 Keep moving. Again. Again. Four more times. Three more times. Two more times. One more time. keep jogging on spot. Nidhi, don't stop. If you see me stopping, then you stop. If I'm still moving, talking to you, I'm breathing hard too. My heart rate is also moving up. But I'm still moving, and I'm still exercising, and I'm also talking to you. So keep moving, all three of you. Now just step back, look at your screen. It's time for us to stretch. So how will we stretch? Keep marching. Keep marching. You've got to stretch it out. So keep looking at my body now. 4, 3, 2, stretch. Stretch from side to side. That's it. Very nice. Now move your arms up, and up. Now you've got to stretch it out, so one leg going behind the other. 4, 3, 2, watch me. It's like an upright row, one leg behind the other. Stretch, 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 stretch. Just stretch it out. Four, and 3, and 2, and 1. Start your stretches again, side to side. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Arms going up. From here, come back to your jogging or skipping. 4, 3, 2, and start. Skip. Start skipping again. It's an imaginary rope. Full energy. From here, again the same. 4, 3, 2, and start. Right, left, together. Go back. Right, left, again. Forward and back. 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 forward, and back. Again, forward, and back, forward, and back. 4 more times. 4. And 3. Two. And 1. Keep skipping. Skip. Start your march. Keep marching. Just a second. Continue, carry on, carry on. How much time is left? Check your phone. Just a second. Yes.
4 minutes. 5 more minutes.
Carry on, everyone. Chalo, go back. Keep marching. We've got 5 minutes to go. Some new exercises for that. So everybody keep your eyes on. Very simple. Keep marching. You will go forward and you will come back and you will twist. Watch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep watching. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jack, 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 and again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jack it out, jack it out, jack it out again. 1, 2. Carry on. Again. Keep moving. Again. Now everyone, march, march. Keep marching. Those are your 2 exercises. But I have to teach you one more. So number 1, moving forward. Number 2, jack it back. Number 3 is your old school twist. So how will you twist your body? Very simple. 4, 3, 2, twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, carry on. Again. Keep moving. Relax. March. So that's very simple. Moving forward, jack it back, and twist. Everything put together. Ready? Keep watching me and follow. And no stopping now. 4, 3, 2. Everybody, jacket back. Again. Do your twist. From the top. Twist. Again. Twist. Last time. Again. Twist. Keep your march. Check the time. All right. Keep your march. Keep marching. No stopping. Archana ma'am. Knees going higher. High knees. Work your abdominal. Strong core. Knees lifting higher. Bhumi, you also. Keep marching. Bring the heart rate down. Okay, slowly relax. Stretch out your legs. Roll out your shoulders. Take them forward. Take them back. Take them forward. Bring your arms forward. Stretch. Other side. Take them behind you. Other side. Once again. Last time. Other arm forward. Other arm. One last time, arm going behind. Other side. Full extension. Relax. Shake out your legs. Now, let me see. Okay.
Ma'am, 20 minutes is over long back, I guess.
What, ma'am?
20 minutes is over
It
long
was
back, I
over
guess.
5 minutes back.
Only
Oh, you
5
kept it
minutes,
very
ma'am. It's been 25 minutes only.
low. Okay.
How many of you are sweating? Be honest.
All of us.
Nidhi beta, show me your face. Show me the close up of your face. Are you glowing? Yes, Nidhi is glowing. Ma'am is also glowing. But ma'am, I'm sorry to say, Bhumi is not glowing at all. All of you can see my sweat also. Okay. Ma'am and Nidhi, were my movements clearly visible?
Yes, yes.
Okay, one person, ma'am. Now, time for feedback one by one. Nidhi, great job. You could see, and I could see you were following. Ma'am, good job. Today, the energy was a little less, not because you